You're on?
Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Anyway, we are going to make seed treats, or as I like to call them, seed popsicles. This is a half-eaten sample, but technically all you do is your meat. Three ingredients are honey, toothpicks, and seeds. So make sure that you get the seeds that are right for your bird, because unless you have like a parakeet and get the really big seeds, they're not going to even be able to digest them and be able to fit them in their mouth. But if you get these little seeds, if you have a parakeet, that'll be fine. And I think that you could use them even with bigger birds, the small seeds, and it doesn't really matter as long as they can digest it. So you take your toothpick. It's really simple. Like, it only takes me 10 seconds just to make one. And we have the cone, so it's easier for me. So that's the technique that I use with the cone. Make sure that you get a good amount. You can literally just stick it in, or you can put it on a plate and then rub it all around. There you have it. Now, did I forget to mention that parakeet approved? She would get her claw and stuck. Can I try this?